Hi there, and welcome to another English lesson with Speako. In this lesson, you're going to learn some vegetable and legume vocabulary, including singular and plural forms, types of vegetables, vegetable forms when cooking, and some popular vegetable dishes. And as a special bonus, we'll cover the difference between some common US and UK terms. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Part 1. Vegetable vocabulary. Carrots. Carrots. Tomato. Tomato. Green bean. Green bean. Leek. Leek. Sweet potato or yam. Sweet potato or yam. Onion. Onion. Sweet corn. Sweet corn. Radish. Radish. Asparagus. Asparagus. Cucumber. Cucumber. Beetroot or beet. Beetroot or beet. Aubergine. Aubergine. Red, yellow, and green pepper. Red, yellow, and green pepper. Parsnip. Parsnip. Garlic. Garlic. Nice job! Let's revise the learned vocabulary so far. Carrot. Tomato. Green bean. Leek. Sweet potato or yam. Onion. Sweet corn. Radish. Asparagus. Cucumber. Beetroot or beet. Aubergine. Pepper. Parsnip. Garlic. Part 2. Vegetable vocabulary. Courgette. Courgette. Spinach. Spinach. Broccoli. Broccoli. Bok choy. Bok choy. Lettuce. Lettuce. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Romaine lettuce. Romaine lettuce. Kale. Kale. Brussels sprout. Brussels sprout. White cabbage. White cabbage. Red cabbage. Red cabbage. Mushroom. Mushroom. Butternut squash. Butternut squash. Fennel. Fennel. Spring onion. Spring onion. Very good. Let's go over those again. Courgette. Spinach. Broccoli. Bok choy. Lettuce. Cauliflower. romaine lettuce, kale, Brussels sprout, white cabbage, red cabbage, mushroom, butternut squash, fennel, spring onion. Great job! Feel free to run through the lesson again. Part 3. Vegetable vocabulary. Plural forms. Carrots, tomatoes, green beans, leeks, sweet potatoes or yams, onions, sweet corn or ears of sweet corn, radishes, asparagus, cucumbers, beetroots or beets, aubergines, peppers, parsnips, garlic or bulbs of garlic, courgettes, spinach, broccoli or heads of broccoli, bok choy, lettuce or heads of lettuce, cauliflowers, romaine lettuce or heads of romaine lettuce, kale, Brussels sprouts, white cabbages, red cabbages, mushrooms, butternut squash or squashes, fennel or bulbs of fennel, spring onions. Part 4. Legumes vocabulary. Chickpeas, chickpeas, lentils, lentils, kidney beans, kidney beans, lima beans, lima beans, black beans, black beans, soybeans, soybeans. And the green soybeans are known as edamame. Edamame. Carob, carob. Mung bean sprouts, mung bean sprouts. Green peas, green peas. Black-eyed peas, black-eyed peas. Okay, let's go over those again. Chickpeas, lentils, kidney beans, lima beans, black beans, soybeans. And the green soybeans are known as edamame. Carob, mung bean sprouts, green peas, black-eyed peas. Part 5. Plural versus singular forms. Bean, beans. Pea, peas. Lentil, lentils. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments section, or maybe share how you're getting on with your vegetable vocabulary. Okay, back to the lesson. Part 6. Vegetable categories. Spinach, lettuce or kale are called leafy greens. Leafy greens. Cauliflower, broccoli, or Brussels sprouts are called cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables. Carrots, parsnips, or beetroot are called root vegetables. Root vegetables. And aubergines, tomatoes, or peppers are called nightshade vegetables. Nightshade vegetables. Part 7. Vegetable dishes and forms. Mashed potatoes. Chopped onion. Sliced cucumber. Baked potato wedges. Cooked rice. Steamed vegetable. Pan-fried or sautéed vegetable. Mushroom risotto. Dal. Chili con carne. Vegetable soup. Vegetable broth. Roast dinner. Roast dinner is a traditional Sunday meal in the UK, which is composed of roast meat with gravy, potatoes, Yorkshire pudding, roasted or steamed vegetables such as peas, carrot and parsnip. Lastly, it can also come with a baked cauliflower with bechamel sauce. Doesn't it all look yummy? Let us know in the comments what is your favourite vegetable dish. Part 8. Bonus. UK versus US expressions. Aubergine is a UK expression, and eggplant is the US expression. That's aubergine in the UK and eggplant in the US. A pepper is called a bell pepper or a capsicum in the US. That's a pepper in the UK and bell pepper or capsicum in the US. And a courgette is called a zucchini in the US. That's courgette in the UK and zucchini in the US. And now it's time for a challenge. Are you ready? Okay. What vegetables start with the letter B? What vegetables start with the letter B? Here is a hint for you. Still not sure? Okay, let me give you another hint. Write your answers in the comments section and tell us what's your favourite vegetable dish. And that's the end of today's lesson. Congratulations! We really hope you found it interesting and informative. Before you go, why not download today's lesson and practice sheets? We release new lessons regularly on this channel, so if you'd like to improve your English and expand your vocabulary, be sure to check out our other lessons. If you have any thoughts, suggestions for future topics, or would just like to give us some feedback, please be sure to leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. If you liked our video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook to learn English every day. Thank you for joining today's class, and see you next time.